Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. BJP says will move HC if AAP fails to table CAG reports in assembly. BJP leader Vendra Gupta on Tuesday asked the AAP government to call a special session of the Delhi Assembly to table 40 pending CAG reports within 2 days, warning he will move the High Court if it fails to do so, issuing the ultimatum. Gupta, the leader of the opposition in the Delhi Assembly, also said that the BJP would take to the streets if AAP kept on avoiding tabling the reports. In the House, no immediate reaction was available from AAP. The AAP government has been caught red-handed and stands exposed, and these 40 comptroller and auditor general reports will be the final nail in its coffin. Gupta hit out at the ruling party during a press conference. He said that not presenting the CAG reports in the assembly was a grave crime and charged that the AAP government has murdered democratic traditions and the constitution in broad daylight. BJP legislators have already filed a petition in the Delhi High Court seeking a direction to the Delhi government to table the reports in the assembly. Sachdeva pointed out the irony that Arvind Kejriwal, who rose to political prominence in 2011-12 by demanding the release of CAG reports, is now avoiding the publication of these reports under his own government. In 2011-12, Arvind Kejriwal weaponized the CAG report against the Congress government. When he came into power, he ordered the ACB to investigate. Today, he himself has suppressed suppressed 14 CAG reports to hide all his schemes. The Delhi BJP president alleged Sachdeva further stated after the court's orders that he has to present CAG reports in the assembly. We demand that Arvind Kejriwal and Atishi call an assembly session and present all 14 CAG reports. A BJP's press statement citing its state president said the CAG reports, which cover issues such as excise duty on liquor, pollution control, and other financial matters, were submitted between 2017 and 18 and 2021 to 2022 but have not been presented in the Delhi Assembly. Sachdeva also alleged that the Kejriwal government suppressed these reports because, as per his allegations, this would have led to numerous financial scams coming to light. against the government. Furthermore, the BJP leader has demanded that the Delhi Assembly Speaker convey a special session on December 21 to table all 14 reports. Delhi LGBK Saxena has also written to Chief Minister Atisi to call a special session of the Assembly to table the reports allegedly pending for over 1.5 years. The BJP will approach the High Court once again to seek appropriate directions to compel the government to present the reports. If it does not do so within the next 48 hours, Gupta said. He said BJP legislators over the past months raised the issue in the Assembly multiple times and met with the President of India, the Speaker of the Assembly, and the Chief Secretary, but the government still refused to table the reports. The reports include a performance audit of the Delhi government related to issues like liquor policy and air pollution, among others. Thank you guys for watching.